In a major stride in bolstering India's maritime safety and pollution control efforts, Goa Shipyard Limited launched a new pollution control vessel for the Indian Coast Guard. The vessel, named GSL Yard 1267, was unveiled today in a ceremony that underscores the growing emphasis on environmental protection in our waters. Let's take a closer look at this significant development. This state-of-the-art vessel is designed to tackle marine pollution, a growing concern in India's territorial waters. Equipped with advanced technology, GSL Yard 1267 will play a crucial role in monitoring and responding to oil spills and other environmental hazards, ensuring that our seas remain safe and clean for future generations.
रक्षा मंत्रालय आत्मनिर्भर और गोवा शिपयार्ड ने एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन और पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल का ये जो शिप है, ये हम कह सकते हैं समुद्री सुरक्षा, समुद्र में पॉल्यूशन, तेल का रिसाव, उसको रोकने के लिए लगभग 72% ये आत्मनिर्भर ये शिप है। और गोवा शिप यार्ड के अधिकारियों को, कर्मचारियों को मेरी तरफ से शुभकामना। और जिस मेहनत से ये काम कर रहे हैं, आज से महज 4-5 साल पहले सिर्फ 2000 करोड़ का ऑर्डर होता था, 14,000 करोड़ का ऑर्डर है। बेल्जियम, श्रीलंका से भी ऑर्डर है। और ये जो शिप है, ये लगभग 250 करोड़ की लागत से है, बहुत एडवांस है। और इस एडवांस शिप में जो समुद्र में जो तेल का रिसाव होता है, पॉल्यूशन होता है, मछली जो फिश है वो भी उनको नुकसान होता है। तो तेल को इकट्ठा करना, तेल को नष्ट करना, ताकि जो समुद्री जीव जंतु हो उनको नुकसान नहीं हो, और जो पॉल्यूशन है उसको क्लियर करना, ये भारत के रक्षा मंत्रालय में एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान गोवा शिपयार्ड का हुआ है।
The launch of this vessel is not just a step forward for the Indian Coast Guard but also a testament to the capabilities of Goa Shipyard Limited in contributing to the nation's defense and environmental protection sectors. With this addition, India strengthens its commitment to preserving the marine environment, aligning with global standards of pollution control and maritime safety.
And other people in the government. With regards to employment to locals, what is Goa Shipyard's take in that?
GSL is committed to ensure that the marine ecosystem which Goa enjoys must prosper. I have been talking as a CII chairman also to the various industry stakeholders. We have also recently done with the vendor meet. So on all the platforms we are trying to say that MSME should come together, because it's not necessarily that Goa Shipyard should create an employment. Even MSME can join us, because today MSME is the largest employer for the employment generation. So overall, with the support of government of Goa, with our own initiative, we are committed to generate a lot of employment and revenues for this marine ecosystem in Goa.
Any target of providing locals, at least in Goa Shipyards?
Majority of the jobs what has been going last 1.5 years, we have ensured that it goes to Goan people. And we are also we are with the ISBT at SADA, we are trying to work it out some industry friendly courses under our CSR initiative. So people can get trained in that initiative, and thereafter they can become a job worthy to join the jobs in this thing. But we are committed to support the local ecosystem, including employment.
Hiru Mahale, Subhashish Govekar and Sangeeta Uli for Goa 365.